I'm Russ Heaps, and welcome to this episode of Just Three Things. Today we're with our good buddy, Susie Barrows, who's the owner of Noble Vice Wine Company in Greenville, South Carolina. And she's going to share with us just three things that she thinks we should know about how to open a bottle of wine.
Here are just three things that I think you should know about opening a bottle of wine. Number one, this is a wine opener known in the business as a wine key. So if you ever hear the term wine key, they're referring specifically to this type of wine opener. People think that sometimes you need to spend a lot of money. This is all you need. Number two, we are taking the knife, taking this handy dandy serrated knife here, and we are cutting around. There's a little lip at the top, but then there's a second lip underneath. And so we're going to cut around. We're going to take it in your left hand or right hand, I suppose, if you're left-handed, and put a little pressure on it, and then take that knife and take the bottle, and you're going to cut all the way around. This is called the foil. Cut all the way around, and then you're going to take the top of that foil, and now we see the top of the cork. Number three, you are going to close the knife, and now we are going to take this hinged part, and we are going to take the screw out of the hinged part, and then we're going to insert it as close as you can into the middle of the cork, such as that. And again, putting firm pressure. And then you're going to take the wine key and you're going to go down 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5, I guess you would say. That's my way of counting it. Just basically until you get to the second from the top screw. As you can see, there's a hinge here. So you're going to take the hinge between these two parts, and you're going to put it on the lip of the bottle, and then you're going to take wine key and you've pulled it as far as it can on that one hinge. And then after that, you're going to put the top of the wine key onto the lip, and you're going to then, using the power of physics, take the cork all the way out and just kind of do the last bit with your hand, and voila, the cork is out. You'd put the cork down as such, but that's how you open a bottle of wine.
Well, there you have it. Just three things that you should know about how to open a bottle of wine. See you next time.